Hi everyone, Simon here. If you are dealing with an LG dishwasher that just won't start, this video is for you. Before we go right in, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful DIY appliance repair guides. Today we are going to walk through the steps to troubleshoot this issue by inspecting a few key parts: the noise filter, door lock assembly, control panel, main PCB, and the water valve. Don't worry, these are problems you can tackle yourself with a bit of patience and guidance. Let's get that dishwasher back to doing its job. No more hand washing. The patience is on your side, and we guarantee you guidance. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are appliancepartspros.com. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dishwasher or turn the breaker off. And just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off. You should start troubleshooting by observing the symptoms. The first thing is to check if the control panel lights up when the power button is pressed. If it's not, check the power outlet by plugging in any small appliances. Reset the breaker if needed. Still no power at the dishwasher? Check the junction box connection. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove a couple of screws and take the kick panel out. The junction box is on the right. One more Phillips screw out and you can take the cover off. Check if the connectors are not burned and then get your multimeter ready. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we would love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Set the meter for volts AC, letter V with a wavy line, and insert probes in the connectors. Plug the dishwasher in. You should read about 120 volts AC. If you have the proper voltage, the noise filter is next on the checklist. Unplug the dishwasher first. Open the door and locate two mounting brackets at the top. Remove two Phillips screws from the brackets and pull the dishwasher out and turn it to the left to expose the main PCB. Using the flat blade screwdriver, release two clips and pry the PCB up and out. Turn it over and place it down. The noise filter is mounted at the rear base wall right in front of you. Locate the single Phillips screw at the outside of the base and remove it. Slide the noise filter out and place it down flat. Insert the meter probes into the red plug with the black, white, and green wires. That's the incoming leg. Set the meter for volts AC. Plug the dishwasher in. You should read about 120 volts AC. Unplug the dishwasher and switch to the white plug. Insert the probes also in the black and white wires. Plug the dishwasher in. If the noise filter is good, you should be able to read about 120 volts AC on the meter. If there is no proper voltage, replace the noise filter. The door lock assembly not only latches the door, but also ensures that the PCB won't start the dishwasher unless the door is locked. So, if nothing happens when you press the start button, check the door lock assembly. It's located on the outside of the dishwasher's cabinet at the top front. Unplug the dishwasher first. Next, we are going to use a multimeter. Set your multimeter to continuity, Wi-Fi sign. Insert the meter probes into the red and black wire connectors on the right side switch. With the door closed, you should read continuity and hear the beep. Open the door and the meter should show an open circuit. That tells us the switch is good. Repeat the procedure with the second door switch. If both door switches are good, test the harness for continuity. To test the harness, unscrew the Phillips screw and remove the metal cover. Locate the plug WH4. Unplug it. Set the multimeter to continuity, Wi-Fi looking sign. Make sure the door is closed. Check continuity between the pin 1 red and pin 2 gray, and then between pin 1 and pin 3 violet. Having continuity will indicate that both switches and the harness are good. No continuity, you've got a bad harness. We had tested the switches earlier. It's quite simple. If the control panel lights up when the power button is pressed, but you are unable to set the desired cycle or the start button won't turn the dishwasher on, you need a new control panel. Before ordering a new part, you should check the display board plug connection at the main PCB, 10 pins plug, and at the display board itself inside the door. Also, you can try to initiate a self-test mode. Plug the dishwasher in, press at the same time power, auto, and start buttons. All the LEDs should light up. If that doesn't happen, replace the control panel. In the case of the dead control panel, we need to check the outgoing voltage at the main PCB. Observe the red LED light on the main PCB. If it's on, most likely there's nothing wrong with the PCB. No LED light, replace the PCB. But still we are going to check the PCB's voltage output. With the dishwasher unplugged, locate the 10-pin connector. Set the meter to read volts DC. Insert the probes in black and orange pins and plug the dishwasher in. Press the power button. You should read 10 to 11 volts DC. Next, check voltage between red and orange wire pins, and you should have near 16 volt DC. And the last position is between violet and the gray wires. The proper voltage should be between 4 and 5 volts DC. The correct voltage in all measurements we just did prove that the main PCB is good. If your LG dishwasher is not filling up with water and you have an error code IE, it's time to check the water inlet valve. But before going to any trouble at all, check if the water supply is open. If it's closed for some mysterious reason, open it and consider this is your lucky day. If it's open, unplug the dishwasher and let's pick up from where we left in testing the door lock. Unplug the dishwasher first. With the control board out, locate the plug WH6 and disconnect it using the flat blade screwdriver. Set your meter to resistance, horseshoe sign, and insert probes in gray 5 and red 6 connectors. The correct reading should be about 25 ohms. No proper resistance or open circuit, replace the valve. Next we are going to check the PCB voltage output. Connect the plug, leave the probes in the same places, and set the meter to volts DC, letter V with 2 lines. Then make sure the dishwasher is empty and the door is closed and plug it in. Initiate the self-test mode by pressing at the same time power, auto, and start buttons. All the LEDs should light up. Press the start button 5 times. And the water valve should get energized and water enter the dishwasher. When the start button is pressed the 5 times, the meter should read about 8 volts DC. If we have this 8 volts DC displayed, but water is not coming in, the valve is doomed. Small tip, before ordering a new water valve, check if the filter inside the valve intake is not blocked with debris. You will need to take out these 4 Phillips screws, pull out the inlet, and check inside the body. As a result of our troubleshooting, we were able to pinpoint the bad guy. It's the door lock assembly. So let's get right to it. We have our dishwasher pulled out. Make sure it's unplugged and open the door. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take a couple of screws out from under the top and slide the door lock out. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the connectors. This is the old door lock assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Place the connector plugs onto the new door lock. Install it in place and secure it with 2 Phillips screws. Install the dishwasher onto the counter and secure it to the countertop with 2 Phillips screws. Plug the dishwasher in, make sure water is open, and report to your spouse of the great success. Thanks for following along with our troubleshooting guide for your LG dishwasher. Once you have pinpointed the issue, head over to appliancepartspros.com with your model number to find and order the replacement parts you need. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, so you can get your dishwasher back in action quickly. If you need help with installation, our video guides are here to assist. We would love to hear how your repair went. Feel free to share your experience in the comments below. Happy repairing!